Hello guys, today we're going to be looking at the Everio by JVC HD Camcorder GZ-HD7. Alright guys, so let's have a look and see what it looks like from the inside. Let's check it out, see what it all comes in when you open it up. Look at this. Alright, there it is. Let's take it out and then we'll just go one by one and see what comes in. I don't want to take out the whole camera so you can look at it in a nice view here. Check it out. So there it is, very beautiful. Let's open it up. Let me adjust here real quick so you can see it nice and clear. All right, so there it is. We open it up. It's like any other camcorder. This is very nice, and it comes with this hood on the front. It's like a, let's see, let's bring it into view here. So there we go. Very nice. Look at this hood right here. It's very cinematic looking, beautiful looking camcorder. And we're gonna take a very close look. Wow, it feels nice. And check this out. So the viewfinder comes out. That's a very nice touch. I like that. The viewfinder pops out so you can see it. It doesn't lift up, but it pops out like that. That's wonderful. I really like that. So it's a very nice touch. And let's look at the bottom. That's where the tripod mounts right there. Okay, very nice. Let's look at the handle. Look at this handle right here. Wow. So if you're filming it, you're going to be grabbing it like this. So you're filming. Here is where you put your external mic. Let's open this up and check it out real quickly. So there's the mic compartments right there, and you put your external mic right in here, and you have another compartment here. This is for the audio video parts. If you wanted to get your video out onto the TV, or you wanted to put it on a separate drive, you could do that. Very nice. We have a focusing assist button right here. This is manual focus right here, which feels really nice on the hands. I like that. That's really, really nice. 3 CCD. That means there's 3 chips controlling the colors, right? The blue, the yellow, and the red. So that makes it look great. Let's see what else we have. We have a stereo mic, right? So if you want to no external mic, you can just record with the built-in mics right there, left and right. So that's perfect. Let's take a look. Let's look closer here. So there they are, guys. There's some mics left and right, so you can record in stereo. It's a very nice touch. Let's look at the LCD screen. There we go. Look at the LCD screen. It's nice. I'm gonna pop in a battery. We're gonna take a look, but real quickly, let's see what else comes in the box. We have audio video cable right here. Let's straighten this out so you can see it. So audio video cable, then you have another audio video cable. It's nice, little extra. We have power, so you can connect this. So let me demonstrate. You can connect this camera right here. This is the DC port, so you just connect your power right in there. Let's take a look. So you connect it right in there like that. That's very nice. And then, oh, let me show you. You have a regular HDMI connection right there, and then USB, and then you also have FireWire, which is that's exactly what that is. It is FireWire. So you have a bunch of connectivity down there, which is nice. I like that. All right, let's take a look. What else do we got? We got the manuals. We're not gonna get into the manuals. We got composite cables. Oh, and you get a remote. Let's take a look at the remote. So there's the remote right there. All right, so enough about that. We got the manuals. We're not going to look at the manuals. We're just going to go into a little section. We're going to get the battery out. So let me show you the battery. So there's the battery. It came with the camera. I don't know if they still provide it with the camera, but let's pop that in and see what that looks like. And then we'll turn it on so you guys can see it in its full function. So let's go to that right now. Okay. And let's turn it on. Ready? All right, guys. So there it is. Something else I want to show you. It's got this shutter cover that we have on it. So let's open that up so you can see So there it is, guys. The battery's running low, but I just want to show you what the screen looks like. Very nice, and that's how it turns on. So yep, there it is, the Everio by JVC. Very nice little camcorder. And the battery's dying out on me right now, but that's what it looks like. Let's bring it in closer and take a look there. So yeah, very nice, nice construction. I really enjoy using it. And then I'm gonna have some sample footage right now. We're just gonna add this at the end so you have some sample footage of what it looks like. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.